Welcome back. The missing Malaysian passenger aircraft MS-370 has ended in southern Indian Ocean. Prime Minister of Malaysia, Najib Rajak, made an official statement on Monday. Further details would be divulged in a Tuesday presser. Prime Minister has also urged media to respect the privacy of the victim's family.
It is therefore with deep sadness and regret that I must inform you that according to this new data, flight MH370 ended in the southern Indian Ocean. We will be holding a press conference tomorrow with further details. I know this news must be harder still. I urge the media to respect their privacy and allow them the space they need at this very difficult time.
No to MOPA, no to casino. Goa unit of Aam Aadmi Party released its draft election manifesto supporting sustainable mining in the state. Party claimed that there is need of sustainable mining in Goa. Party opposed MOPA airport and casinos, claiming that they will ruin the state. Party did not mention anything about special status to Goa, saying that the state government can do enough to protect state identity.
Aam Aadmi Party released draft of election manifesto for Lok Sabha elections and have asked for suggestions from the people. Party has proposed to scrap MOPA airport project, claiming that it is a real estate scam. Party has also demanded to freeze the acquired MOPA land and utilize it in future according to the need of the state. AAP is not in favor of casinos too.
The Aam Aadmi Party is very clear that the MOPA airport is fundamentally a real estate scam. This land that is there, that is now available with the government in these areas, can be utilized for these kind of industries that could generate employment for the local population. We want to freeze that land for the airport in another 35 years, 40 years if it is required. We are very clear that the damage that casinos do to Goa is infinitely more than whatever be the economic benefits that they could accrue.
However, party has supported sustainable mining in the state.
The thrust of the issue is how we use the mining sector to actually benefit the common man, benefit the exchequer, and see to it that the environment is, as far as possible, is minimally damaged.
But unlike other parties, AAP did not mention anything about special status to Goa.
Given much thought, to be honest with you, as far as the special status to Goa is concerned, we haven't delved into it completely. We would probably request, especially for the 27th meeting, we hope that there will be citizens who will be able to tell us how to fine-tune that. As far as the special status for Goa is concerned, let's be very clear about one thing. Under no circumstances can it be an unconstitutional act. The concept of special status that I think the Aam Aadmi Party would want to envisage for Goa is how is it that we protect our land. Put up mines, it can be done by the local government. You don't even require the central government.
Reporter Mahesh Kadi with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
I have not stopped mining. I stopped mining operations. I can start mining within no time if Supreme Court lifts ban on mining and central government gives environmental clearances. This is the claim of Mining Minister and Chief Minister of the state, Manohar Parrikar. He also said that Congress failed to fulfill their promise of special status to Goa.
Supreme Court has stopped the mining is a known fact. Tajanantar taka and tajer question mark kiya.
You had only suspended mining license.
I have not suspended mining. I had suspended mining operation, which can be started in 5 minutes, provided they show the documents. After that, 4 days after that, every environment clearance has been suspended by the central government. Therefore, today, even if I tell them, okay, you submit everything, they can't submit environment clearance. ह्या गजाली खातीर सगळ्या कंपनीक ज्ञान घेवचें पडटा कितें जालां तें. ज्या जाग्यार सुप्रीम कोर्टान परमिशन दिलें त्या जाग्यार मायनिंग मुवमेंट करपाक इमिजिएटली वी हॅव परमिटेड. Even your pollution control board has cleared the jetties. You are seeing it yourself. So if Supreme Court tomorrow withdraws, I will permit, subject to condition that environment clearance has to be there. They won't be able to operate because environment clearances have been suspended. 28 मतदारसंघात एकूण साधारणपणे 1,20,000 घरां कार्यकर्त्यांनी विजीट केली आणि तातूंतल्यान 99,91,91,921 रुपया अजून पर्यंत कलेक्शन जालां. काँग्रेसीन 2 अन्याय गोंयचेर केल्ल्या. सतत आश्वासन दिवन स्पेशल स्टेटस गोंयाक दिवंक ना. खुद्द काँग्रेस अध्यक्षाक 2दा हांगा येवन तिणें स्पेशल स्टेटस मेळटलो अशें जाहीर केलें, पण प्रत्यक्षान तें मेळूंक ना. आनी तशेंच गोंयचो कॅबिनेटान रिप्रेझेंटेशनूय ना 10 वर्सां. त्यामुळे गोंयचे अनेक प्रश्न न सुटपाचें कारण थंय योग्य जाग्यार जें रिप्रेझेंटेशन आसूंक जाय तें रिप्रेझेंटेशन आशिल्लें.
Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority has issued an order to demolish 3 illegal structures at Mandre. GCZMA has found that Mandal Resort, Mahashir Hotels and Resorts and Hotel Mikasa have been illegally constructed in no development zone. GCZMA has given 15 days time to property owners to demolish the illegal structures and restore the land to its original conditions. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.